Hey Russell fam, today we are going to be making Christmas crack. You heard me right, it's called Christmas crack. Be back in just a second. To make this recipe, you need a cup of brown sugar packed. You need 12 ounces of chocolate chips to your liking, whichever ones you like. You need 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and you are going to need 1 sleeve of crackers. So I am fixing to lay the crackers out and show you how to do it. Be back in just a second. Okay, I have lined the pan with parchment paper like this, and so now I'm going to take crackers and we are going to line them up on the parchment paper. The parchment paper makes for very easy cleaning. So we're going to lay them out just like this, and once I get the whole pan done, we'll be back in just a second. Alright, I have put all of the crackers out, and this is what it should look like. And at this point you need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees because we're going to bake this for 5 minutes after we get done with the brown sugar and the butter. So now we're going to move over to the stove and go from there. Okay, I have my 2 sticks of unsalted butter in here, and I'm going to pour in our 1 cup of brown sugar because we packed it in there, and we are going to melt all of this together. And once it gets all good and melted, we are going to pour it over the crackers, and then we are going to place it in the oven. So we want to get this all melted and up to a rolling boil. So I will be back when we get that done. Alright, the butter has completely melted, and you can see it has come to a rolling boil. You want to keep stirring it so it does not scorch. So now we've got our good rolling boil. We are fixing to pour it over on the crackers. Alright, so we're just going to pour it over the crackers just like this. You want to get some of this yummy goodness all over. And then you're going to take your spoon and just spread it. Oops. And don't touch it because it is hot. See, you're spreading it everywhere. No, I'm not spreading it that good. My spoon is getting sticky. Okay, so now we are going to take this and we're going to put it in our preheated oven at 375 degrees for 5 minutes. Alright, we'll be back when it goes off. Okay, I have just taken it out of the oven, and you can see how bubbly it is. So now we are going to take our chocolate chips and we're going to pour them on top. Just kind of sprinkle them around. Alright, and I am going to place a piece of aluminum foil over this just to let it sit for a few minutes and let the heat melt the chocolate chips that are in here. Alright, I have let this sit under the aluminum foil for about 2 to 3 minutes, so we're going to take it off. And it makes it so much easier to move the chocolate around. So we want to try to get a little bit of chocolate on every cracker. And then once we get done smearing this all around, if you want to, you can top it with some kind of other topping, like some Heath or some white chocolate or some bits of a candy bar. Those are some different things that you can do. And then we're going to I'll put it in the freezer and leave it in there for about half an hour to let all of this cool down and get firm again. You can put it in the fridge overnight if you'd like, but you just want to make sure that you get the chocolate smeared evenly. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. And it is still hot, so be very careful when you do this. So if you have little ones helping you, you may not want them to help you with this part. So there we go. The chocolate is all smeared around the crackers. And I'm fixing to stick it in the freezer. And once it comes out of the freezer and everything is firm, we're going to crack it into little pieces, and I'll show you how we do that. Alright, I have taken it out of the freezer. Everything is hard, so now we are going to take our spatula and break it apart. I may need my knife. Some of it has gotten over my wax paper, and you're just going to break it up. There we go, I got under it. You're just going to break it into pieces. And that's why you want to put your parchment paper down there, and you just break it into bite-sized pieces just like this. And I'm going to finish doing all this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. We are a homeschooling, cooking, all kinds of fun stuff videos. So have a great day. Bye.